vlog. I look crazy this morning. I need to shower today, but I don't feel like it right now. I want to make a little breakfast this morning and a coffee and probably edit my YouTube video because it's a little late. I can't lie. This time change is taking it out of me, but that's okay. Yeah, so we're gonna make a little breakfast, drink a little coffee. I wanted to film today, but I just don't think that's gonna happen because I just don't think I'm mentally there. But we can do breakfast and coffee for sure. BB's home. I changed my zoom settings, so now I can zoom in really far.
Oh, really? Like how far? You got any boogers?
How was your day?
Oh my god, babe, this morning, so bad. So bad. I woke up with a very upset tummy.
Look at my protein breakfast bagel. I'm gonna try taking this thing out. Okay. Ooh, feels a bit doughy on the inside. We're gonna have to cut it open and bake it more. Maybe if I just cut it like this. For the trip, do it on like this creator like thing where you order it through that thing I wanted.
The SKUs.
My bagel is done. I'm gonna literally shit this out later, but garlic aioli. Cholula. I did egg with Parmesan. Yummy McYummersons. Breakfast bagel, ready up. Order up. Hi vlog, I just ended up taking a shower. I think the last thing I updated you guys on was that I was editing or something. I don't know. I edited my YouTube video though. It ended up being such a short video, so I'm gonna try to film a little bit longer today. Now, do you guys see these that I got from IKEA? I just spit everywhere. I'm gonna try to put my palettes on these and then maybe put this up there. I don't know. We're gonna see. Maybe I'll do a little time lapse. I also have a little raspberry rose poppy. Trevor's streaming right now, a little early stream. I'm watching that and I'm just gonna organize. I might even organize my makeup desk because it's so messy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me gotta.
Okay guys, not much to update since I last talked to you. Trevor and I got pizza for dinner and he's about to stream again. I'm probably gonna play Fortnite with my sister tonight. So super chill night. Our spirits aren't the highest today, but it's okay. We've been getting so many signs from the universe that literally everything is gonna work out. So we're doing okay. I hope you guys are doing good too. But yeah, like I said, watch Trevor stream, play some Fortnite, chill out. Okay, Trev's doing his Duolingo. Look at him being all responsible. And we're about to watch the most recent episode of 1923. Oh my god, this show is so good, but it only comes out every Sunday, so we're gonna watch this. It is lame, but it makes us excited. Yeah. Hey guys, it's 12:30. Trevor and I are going to bed. We love you guys so much.
12:30, it's 1:30. That we forgot to set that.
Damn. Okay, well you heard him. It's 1:30. We're just now going to bed. Monday night. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.